Welcome to the structure analysis one. Last time we are discussing the example shown in your screen. We are going to draw axial force diagram. First, to draw axial force diagram, we have to have some values like axial forces, and the behavior of the axial forces decide the positive or negative sign. First of all, we will confirm the axial forces applied on this 12.5, 12.5 both side, compressive 15 kilonewton, compressive 37.5, compressive. Let us put all the values in this. By inception of axial force figure, axial forces are for AB as we discussed 12.5, but compressive, so negative 12.5, 12.5 negative. BD, sorry, BC as we discussed is 15 kilonewton and compressive, that's why negative direction compressive. Now the another one is 37.5 compressive, so in beam CD it is visible minus 37.5. Thus we complete all our step. Now we are going to solve another example, which is draw shear force, bending moment and axial force diagram for the frame shown in figure. In figure, there is a frame which one side is fixed and another side is free. Therefore, point A, C, D, E, and F showing the beam dimension like AC 2 meter, CD 1 meter, ED 1 meter, and EF 0.5 meter. Okay, there is only one force applied in the direction of horizontal, 10 kilonewton. Now, as we done, first of all, draw free body diagram. Divide all the frame. Divide the frame in the all elements. Start from the last end. FE, then ED, CD, and AB. Now you can start from E rather than A because there is a load applied on F. There is something like cantilever beam. As we studied in mechanics of solid, cantilever start from opposite side of normal beam. First, put the load value We have 10 kilonewton load in F direction as shown in figure. That's why we have reaction in opposite direction, and also the moment 10 into 0.5 is equal to 5 kilonewton, but the direction is clockwise. That's why we take anti-clockwise. Now for next body, ED. E 10 kilonewton compressive, that at point D it's also compressive, opposite direction. Moment, there is no change in moment because moment is continuous because of the free end. 5 kilonewton clockwise at point D, 5 kilonewton into meter. Anti-clockwise, repeat the translation. At D, opposite the previous beam, again 10 kilonewton, 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise, 10 opposite direction, opposition of the 10, opposite 10 clockwise, and here anti-clockwise and 10. We get the all the our values from which we can draw our figure easily. Now to draw shear force diagram, we have some values like 10 minus 10 plus. We have 10 positive. There is no upward force. This beam is 0. Now this beam 10 and 10. That's why it's negative. Okay. And again AC is 0 because there is no force in a vertical direction. Now bending moment diagram. In bending moment diagram from FC, there is 0 at F because it is free end. Okay. 5 anti-clockwise, negative. 5 again anti-clockwise, negative. 5 0. Here it's negative because anti-clockwise, and here clockwise positive. Okay. And here 5 and 5 positive. Okay. Now as usual, axial force diagram. Axial force diagram is totally dependent on the axial force, which are given in only one direction. Is effect in only two beams. 10 EF, there is 0, no axial force diagram in the axial direction of beam. Here ED, that's 10 but compressive, so negative. Here again CD, there is no axial force, that's why it's 0, no change in beam. And AB and C, there is a 10 tension direction, that's why is a positive. Thus we close our lecture here. In case of any query or doubt, let me inform.